Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review for June 16th, I believe, 2024. In front of us, a Wyckoff wave. I've given two little sell signals here with the red highlights. We had the new highs in the OP as shown by the red arrow. Price wasn't responding. That's bearish. We did finally see that release to the downside last week. Let's look for still lower. Wyckoff wave new index had a sell signal up there as well. No downside yet, but let's look for a little bit lower. You've got Apple and some of these holding these indices up now. Apple had a big rally. And the Wyckoff wave growth index, same type of thing. Tesla doing better, Apple doing better, Netflix, etc. So this one actually continued higher, but I still think the upside's limited. SPY, I talked about possibly a wave ending here. We have had two overbought technometers there, as shown in red. Hasn't turned it down, but I think there's a possibility still, as in with the Wyckoff wave index, that we still are going to roll over here. Sentiment seems to be pretty bullish, and with the Nvidia continuing to drag us higher, etc., I think we're still going to see some downside coming in the weeks ahead. TLT, I want an ABC pullback for still higher. We just really got two sharp days down and then continued higher as expected. And still here, this market looks like it wants to go higher. So if you're long, stay long. Crude oil, I talked about 72.50 probably being a good low. You can see down there we got right near oversold. And we had a pretty big bounce in the crude. Let's look for that continue. XLE, I'm long with small losses now. The stocks like ExxonMobil, Chevron, etc., not performing well, even though crude turned higher. But let's look for the XLE to catch itself and follow crude higher. Gold, I wanted to see a little breakdown of that 210 level to scare out the weak longs. I still think that's possible. Again, I think we're making, I think this is reaccumulation. We're still headed higher on the metals, but would love to see a breakdown of that 210 level to give us a low risk entry. Gold chart really looks the same. Silver been in a downtrend here, getting rid of some of the exuberance over there. But again, we're not oversold. So let's see if we can, one more scare down there, maybe down around that 28.25 level, and see if that'll give us a buy. Dollar, I've said to stay short. I'm looking for some type of triangle here I've been showing forever. We did have the big rally, a nice decline, and then a rally to end the week. But I still think the dollar will roll over here. Bitcoin, I talked about being a seller at 69.5. I've been patient, waiting for an oversold technometer or a divergence. Technometer 43.3, really closer to neutral. I'd love to see something down there around that's below 63,000 level to get me excited. So that's what I'm waiting on. Ethereum, same type of thing. Some pretty good weakness here in face of the good news. Let's look for something down there, maybe around that 32.50 level. Apple blew through the highs, which I wasn't expecting. So that one looks like, again, I think we're extremely overbought there. I think we'll try to pull back. And a few more individuals. Let's look at DLX. These are ones that were long or looking to be long. That one's pulling back to what I think was resistance for a backup. That one looks interesting. QFIN, I've been long for a while. Had two nice buy setups at the green highlights. Again, I think this one's going to continue much higher in the coming years. Urban Outfitters, trying to dig out of here. I like the way this one looks. Nice uptrend. Had a nice little divergence here at the green arrows. And KDP, Keurig, Dr. Pepper, possible backup here working out, and oversold technometer. Let's see if those can continue higher. Have a great week trading. Good luck.